Gotta get the belt. This truck, boom. A lot of people can't get it around that. So this is how you do it. Oh, let me go the other way. There we go. There we go. Do it like this. Let me do it like this. There we go. There we go. Is that cool? That's good. There we go. There we go. So first, gotta make a loop like this. Make a loop like this. You get it in between. Gotta get in between this two into there. So you go in here like this. Get it in there. Feed it. Feed it. Once you see it over here, then reach for it and bring it around the AC compressor. Boom. There you go. That's one. And then step two. For now, just for now, bring it and put it up here. Now, for easier purpose, I mean, you always refer back to this. So now that it's over that pulley, you bring it down through here. Boom. That. Feed it, feed it, feed it. Get it around the main pulley. There you go. Remove this one. Remove this for now. You're not gonna need it. You're not gonna need it. Feed it around the main pulley and then around the water pump. Make sure you're inside the main pulley. Go in there. You're already around the main pulley, around the water pump, and then now that you're here, remove it from here and go around the power steering pump. This is what you're gonna end up with. In there, around here, and around here. After you're done with this, after you're done with all that, go to the right spot so you guys can see this shit. Now that it's around everything, you gotta make sure that it's nice and straight. Get your ratchet with your 1/2-inch drive adapter. Go under the pump, under the fan clutch. Insert it in the slot. Make sure you're in there. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, and release the tension. Release the tension. And as you do that, bring it up to the alternator. It should give you enough slack to bring it over the alternator. Okay, so once it's over the alternator, see how it's not lined up? Make sure everything lines up. By releasing the tension it up nice. Make sure that everything's nice and lined up. You can tell. See how back down here, it's out. It's out. So I have to release the tension and line it up. So release the tension, line it up. Tension. There you go. So, now just gotta make sure